Welcome to this guide on reading crypto white papers. A white paper is one of the most important documents you'll encounter when researching a cryptocurrency project. Learning how to analyze these documents properly can help you make informed investment decisions and avoid potential scams. Let's explore what to look for when reading a crypto white paper. A white paper is a technical document that explains the project's purpose, technology, tokenomics, and roadmap. Think of it as the project's blueprint. It outlines the vision, explains how the technology works, and provides details about the token's economic model. A well-written white paper should give you a comprehensive understanding of what the project aims to achieve and how it plans to do it. The first thing to check is whether the project addresses a real problem. Look for a clear identification of a market gap or inefficiency. The white paper should provide a compelling explanation of the use case and show evidence of demand or need. Ask yourself, does this problem actually exist, and is it significant enough to warrant a blockchain solution? Next, examine how the technology works. The white paper should explain the technical architecture in a way that's understandable, even if you're not a developer. Look for information about what makes this solution innovative compared to existing alternatives. Assess whether the proposed solution is technically feasible and whether it can scale to handle real-world usage. Tokenomics refers to how the token is structured economically. Check the total supply and how tokens will be distributed among team members, investors, and the public. Understand the token's utility. What purpose does it serve within the ecosystem? Look at the incentive mechanisms designed to encourage participation and ensure the project's long-term sustainability. Poor tokenomics can doom even a technologically sound project. Who is behind the project matters tremendously. Research the team's credentials and experience in blockchain, technology, or relevant industries. Check their track record. Have they successfully built projects before? Look for transparency. Are team members willing to share their public profiles and professional backgrounds? Anonymous teams should raise immediate red flags, as accountability is crucial. A credible project needs a realistic development timeline. The roadmap should outline achievable goals rather than overpromising unrealistic features. Look for clear phases with specific deliverables. Check whether the project provides regular updates on progress and maintains transparency about any delays or changes. A vague or overly ambitious roadmap can indicate poor planning or dishonesty. Be alert for warning signs. Vague or overly complex explanations often hide a lack of substance. Unrealistic promises, such as guaranteed returns or claims of being risk-free, are major red flags. An anonymous or unverifiable team should make you extremely cautious. Finally, poor tokenomics or unfair distribution, where the team or insiders control most tokens, can indicate a potential rug pull or scam. Legal considerations are critical but often overlooked. Check for regulatory compliance statements that show the project is aware of and adhering to relevant laws. Look for legal disclaimers and risk disclosures. Legitimate projects are upfront about potential risks. Understand the jurisdiction where the project operates and its legal structure. Projects that ignore legal aspects may face regulatory shutdown or expose investors to legal risks. Remember these key points. A strong white paper is clear, detailed, and transparent. It should answer all your questions without resorting to jargon or hype. Always verify claims through independent research. Don't just take the white paper at face value. Check third-party reviews, audit reports, and community discussions. Finally, if something feels off, trust your instincts. It's better to miss an opportunity than to lose money on a questionable project.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.